Another day, another quiz, another day, another chance. Today I'll be discussing to you all about, pretty much my quiz. Yeah. So final is for constants, method overriding prevention, class inheritance, registration, final guarantees execution, finalize is called before garbage collection. And which of the following block always executes regardless of an exception occurring or not, finally. And then, what will be the output of the following code? What will happen in the following code? Well, because this static public static void main, I think due to it being called after the whole method has been thrown, this is gonna occur. I was wrong. I was very wrong. Yes. Exits on 0, so it terminates JVM, so the final block does not execute. Yes. Oh, thank goodness. Okay, got that one. And you have completed 10 out of 10 questions. Your accuracy, man, is 100%. Thank goodness. Okay. And have a nice day.